In this video, I'm going to give you 3 types of lead magnets you can use for your business, whether you're running an agency, whether you own a SaaS business, any type of businesses basically. So what are lead magnets? Lead magnets are simply free resource that you offer to your prospect, which builds a lot of trust for them. So the day you have a paying offer, they'll be more likely to roll with you because you can offer lots of valuable information already for free. So this builds a lot of trust with them. So what are examples of lead magnets? They can be masterclass, they can be Notion templates, they can be unlisted YouTube video. You see them a lot on LinkedIn. So what builds a good lead magnet? First of all, it needs to require no upfront investment or time, obviously, from your prospect. So you can't ask for more information to build it. You can't ask to go over a call. Secondly, it needs to solve a deep problem that your audience is addressing, which is going to add lots of value to your free resource. And the number 3 is it needs to be a resource they might have paid already. This again just builds a lot of value to your resource. So let's say you're offering something that someone else is offering like for a price, like a course, but you offer this for free. Now people are going to trust you way more. So let's go into a few examples from beginner to more advanced. First format is a Notion SOP. So I advise you to use Notion because this tool is a lot used in like the agency space and like the SaaS space. And especially if you offer a template, people can simply copy paste and really use it like easily. It can be very actionable and you want your free resources to be as actionable as possible so you can deliver as much value as possible. So let's take the example of an SEO agency. You can make a LinkedIn post saying, I've built a Notion template on the 5 steps in order to get your website to the first page of Google. And so this is something that people are most likely looking to do. This is something people are probably going to pay for by someone else, but you offer this for free. So you make this basically lead magnet on LinkedIn. People are going to either comment or DM you in order to get this free resource. You give it to them, and then after this, you can simply make like a post, a campaign for your lead magnet saying, oh, by the way, if you're looking for help with the implementation of this process, we can help you do so. So you see what you're doing. You're simply like giving something for free, the information, but then you're selling the implementation on the back end, which makes this really, really powerful. The second format is a Loom video. So let's take the example of a lead generation agency. You're doing cold outreach, and basically on your CTA, instead of doing like everyone else, trying to hop on a 15 or 30-minute call, you can simply say, would you be willing to receive a 30-second free Loom video of me explaining exactly for your business how we can help you book 10 to 20 sales calls every single month. Obviously, you want your CTA to be way shorter, but it can be, would you like me to send you over a video explaining how this works? And so this creates like a really powerful free resource. And then at the end of the video, so like during all the video, you talk about all the technical stuff and how like it's super important for this business to basically run this process. Like it's a no-brainer, but it's also very hard to implement. And at the end you say, oh, basically, if you want me to implement this for you, feel free to reach out. So basically you sell the people the awareness, the conscious that they have the problem, but you don't sell the implementation. So you're just like throwing inside people's brain, like, oh, this is super important, but you don't know how to do it. And I'm the only one, or I'm the specialized guys who can do so. So it's very powerful. Like at the same time, you're offering free value and free information, but at the same time, you're explaining that they have the information, but they don't know how to do it. So you're the right guy to do so. And the third format is a free masterclass. So this, we can take the example of like a course creator. So let's take the example of like someone who has like a YouTube channel and who has like a full course basically on probably like financial freedom or whatever bullshit. You can run some ads asking for a sign up to a 45 minutes masterclass on Bitcoin and any type of crypto investment. And basically in the masterclass for the first 30 minutes, you want to sell as much, like you want to provide as much free value as possible, how to identify the best crypto opportunities, how with crypto you can basically live financial freedom whatsoever. And at the right end, you can sell your private community saying like, oh, by the way, if you want to implement all of this super quickly and you don't have to go over lots of content, if you want to be surrounded by people who are crypto geeks, feel free to join the course. So you see now again, you sell the information, you say like, this is possible, this is super important for you, But if you're going to do this on your own, you're probably not it's probably not going to work. And people miss out on this. People think like they should not give information because that's what people are buying. People are not buying the information. People want to have the information and have the implementation. And half of people are too lazy to implement the valuable information. So if you can like basically like reverse this and give all of the information for free, and in the backend sell the implementation, this will work very well. So that is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.